1. 1937 Plymouth Rat Rod. Price, $6,500. Located West Milton, Ohio. This 1937 Plymouth Rat Rod offers a raw and unfinished classic hot rod experience, perfect for enthusiasts looking for a project with strong potential. Titled as a 1937 Plymouth sedan, this vehicle carries the rugged character that defines true rat rod culture, combining vintage styling with custom modifications. The exterior is finished in a flat black tone that enhances its aggressive and stripped-down appearance, giving it a bold presence on the road. Under the hood, it is equipped with a small block Chevy 350 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The drivetrain is already installed, and the car is capable of running and driving, making it a solid starting point for further customization or restoration. The mechanical setup provides a reliable foundation for those who want to build a unique street machine. Inside, the vehicle remains largely unfinished, allowing the next owner to design and complete the interior according to their personal vision. One of the main areas that requires attention is the floor, which needs to be welded in and properly assembled to bring the car to a more complete state. This Plymouth is ideal for builders who enjoy hands-on projects and want a classic platform with character. It presents an opportunity to create a one-of-a-kind rat rod while already having key components in place, making the process more achievable and rewarding. 2. 1930 Ford Model A. Price, $35,000. Located Crete, Illinois. This 1930 Ford Model A is a striking all-steel hot rod that perfectly blends vintage heritage with bold custom performance. Finished in a deep green exterior paired with a clean white interior, this vehicle immediately stands out with its classic yet aggressive appearance. The body retains its original steel construction, enhanced by custom modifications that give it a unique and unmistakable presence. Powered by a strong small block Chevy 350 engine equipped with a Dyer's blower, this Model A delivers impressive power and an unmistakable supercharged sound. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and supported by a GM 10-bolt rear end, creating a reliable and performance-driven drivetrain. Polished stainless exhaust components and Wilwood brakes further enhance both performance and style. The vehicle features custom paint, spindle-mounted front wheels, and rocket racing rear wheels that contribute to its bold stance. Inside, the custom interior and trunk area are thoughtfully designed, offering a balance between show quality and usability. This hot rod runs and drives very well, making it more than just a showpiece. With its loud and rowdy character, it attracts attention wherever it goes while still being a dependable driver. Clean title and well-maintained, this Model A is a rare opportunity for collectors seeking a classic with attitude. 3. 1942 Ford Truck Hot Rod. Price, $23,500. Located Nineveh, Indiana. This 1942 Ford Truck Hot Rod is a beautifully crafted custom build that combines vintage truck styling with modern upgrades and detailed engineering. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a beige interior, the truck presents a refined yet aggressive look that reflects its unique character. The body sits on a modified 1946 Ford frame with a custom rear setup, creating a strong and stable foundation. Under the hood, it features a 5.7-liter Chevy engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck is equipped with a fully upgraded front end, including a Speedway axle, chrome shocks, chrome steering components, and a Vega steering box for improved handling. The custom build continues with a shortened late 1940s Chevy bed, a narrowed Ford tailgate, and a distinctive ashwood bed floor that adds a premium touch. Inside, a 1952 Plymouth dashboard with a custom wood gauge insert provides a unique vintage feel, combined with modern functionality. Additional features include new Firestone bias ply tires, front disc brakes, aluminum radiator with electric fan, and a modern infotainment system with Bluetooth and GPS. This truck runs and drives excellently, offering both style and performance in one complete package. 4. 1945 Ford F1 Hot Rod. Price, $22,500. located Lansing, Michigan. This 1945 Ford F1 Hot Rod is a compact and stylish street rod that delivers a fun and enjoyable driving experience. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck offers a classic appearance enhanced by custom hot rod modifications. Its overall look is simple yet eye-catching, making it an ideal cruiser for casual drives and local events. Powered by a small block engine equipped with a blower, this truck delivers strong performance and a distinctive engine presence. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, while power steering and disc brakes provide improved control and safety compared to original setups. One of the unique features of this build is the use of a 1953 truck bed, adding a custom touch that sets it apart from standard builds. The combination of vintage components and modern upgrades creates a balanced driving experience that is both nostalgic and practical. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and functional, offering a comfortable space for short drives and weekend cruising. The interior complements the exterior well, maintaining a cohesive overall design. This Ford F1 runs and drives well, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who want a ready-to-enjoy hot rod without the need for major work. It is a cool and reliable cruiser with timeless appeal. 5. 1928 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price, $28,000. Located Bellevue, Michigan. This 1928 Ford Model A Hot Rod is a custom-built classic that delivers both performance and visual impact. Finished in a striking red exterior with a brown interior, this vehicle presents a bold and well-balanced appearance that reflects careful ownership and attention to detail. With only one owner and a clean title, it has been maintained properly and remains in very good condition overall. Under the hood, it is powered by a 383 cubic inch small block Chevy engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. This setup provides strong acceleration and smooth shifting, making the car both powerful and enjoyable to drive. With only a few seasons of use and low mileage since completion, the drivetrain remains fresh and reliable. The exterior showcases classic hot rod styling with a custom stance that enhances its presence on the road. The paint still looks great, and the car consistently draws attention wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin is clean and functional, although it requires a headliner to be fully complete. This vehicle runs and drives excellent, offering a fun and responsive experience. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking for a ready-to-enjoy hot rod with strong performance and standout appearance. 6. 1930 Ford Brookville Steel Body Roadster. Price, $25,900. Located Fairfield, Ohio. This 1930 Ford Brookville Steel Body Roadster is a well-crafted classic hot rod featuring a genuine steel body and a detailed custom build. Finished in slick black paint with a matching black interior, the car presents a clean and aggressive look that highlights its timeless design. The Brookville body adds authenticity and durability, making it highly desirable among collectors. Powered by a 400 V8 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, this Roadster delivers strong and reliable performance. The engine bay is detailed with chrome and polished aluminum components, reflecting the effort put into its construction. The vehicle starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly. The suspension includes chrome components and a dropped front axle, while the steering system features a tilt column for improved comfort. Additional features include front disc brakes, LED taillights, an aluminum radiator with electric fan, and a locker shifter. Inside, the black vinyl interior is in excellent condition, complemented by a custom billet gauge cluster. While the car is fully functional, minor improvements such as insulation and weather sealing could enhance the driving experience further. 7. 1928 Ford Roadster. Price, $25,000. Located Lenoir City, Tennessee. This 1928 Ford Roadster is a simple yet exciting hot rod that offers a pure and enjoyable driving experience. Built with a focus on fun and attention-grabbing style, this vehicle stands out with its classic open-top design and clean overall appearance. It is a great choice for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional hot rod builds. Powered by a 350 small block engine with a mild cam, this roadster delivers a solid balance of power and drivability. The engine produces a strong and consistent performance, making it suitable for both casual cruising and more spirited driving. Paired with an automatic transmission, it ensures smooth operation and ease of use. The exterior reflects classic hot rod styling with a low stance and minimalist approach that enhances its vintage appeal. It naturally draws attention and creates a strong presence at any event or gathering. Inside, the cabin is simple and functional, focusing on the driving experience rather than luxury. This roadster runs well and provides a very fun ride, making it an enjoyable addition for anyone looking for a classic hot rod. 8. 1932 Ford F-150 Short Bed. Price: $18,000. Located Louisville, Kentucky. This 1932 Ford F-150 Short Bed is a bold custom hot rod truck that combines lightweight construction with aggressive styling and solid performance. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a matching orange interior, this truck immediately stands out with its bright color and unique presence. The fiberglass body keeps the weight low, contributing to its responsive driving feel and overall performance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission and a 3.73 rear end. This setup delivers strong and reliable power, making the truck quick and fun to drive. Performance upgrades include Wilwood disc brakes, a 600 CFM quick fuel carburetor, and Sanderson headers, all working together to enhance both power and stopping ability. The truck also features brand new tires and distinctive Harley-style exhaust tips, adding to its custom personality. Additional parts such as extra tires and a radiator are included, offering added value for the next owner. Inside, the matching orange interior complements the exterior design, creating a cohesive and eye-catching look. This truck runs and drives well, making it a great option for enthusiasts looking for a lightweight and powerful hot rod with a strong visual impact. 9. 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price: $45,000. Located Holly, Michigan. This 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a professionally built hot rod that delivers high performance and show-quality craftsmanship. Featuring a Downs manufacturing body, this coupe is finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, creating a classic yet aggressive appearance. The build quality is evident throughout, making it a standout vehicle in any collection. Power comes from a GM SP383 engine producing approximately 435 horsepower, paired with a Tremec TKO 600 manual transmission. This combination offers strong acceleration and an engaging driving experience. The vehicle is also equipped with Edelbrock Pro Flow 4 fuel injection, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The suspension setup includes a TCI dropped front axle and a 4-link rear system, providing improved handling and stability. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.50 gears delivers dependable power transfer, while front and rear disc brakes ensure confident stopping. Additional features include American racing wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, ceramic-coated exhaust with electric cutouts, and a premium sound system. With its excellent condition and well-engineered build, this coupe runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a top-tier classic hot rod. 10. 1937 Chevrolet Truck. Price: $15,000. Located Ironton, Ohio. This 1937 Chevrolet truck is a classic vintage pickup that blends original character with practical upgrades, making it a reliable and enjoyable driver. Finished in a black exterior, the truck maintains a timeless and simple appearance that reflects its early-era design. Its overall condition shows that it has been used and appreciated as a driver rather than just a display vehicle. Under the hood, it is powered by a 218 engine sourced from a Plymouth, providing dependable performance. The engine has been refreshed with several important upgrades, including a brand new carburetor, a new water pump, and an electric fuel pump, all contributing to improved reliability and smoother operation. The truck has also been converted to electronic ignition, enhancing starting and overall efficiency. It is equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission that delivers a traditional driving experience, giving the driver full control and connection to the road. This setup makes it enjoyable for those who appreciate classic driving dynamics. This truck runs and drives well, and it has proven its reliability by being driven to car shows across different states. It is a solid choice for enthusiasts looking for a usable classic truck with character, history, and dependable performance. 11. 1932 Ford Coupe Extreme Mad Max Edition. Price: $70,000. Located Monroe, Michigan. This 1932 Ford Coupe Extreme Mad Max Edition is a highly customized and professionally built machine designed for both extreme performance and off-road capability. Finished in a rugged black exterior with a matching black interior, the vehicle features a fully coated Line X body that adds durability and a distinctive aggressive look. This is not a traditional hot rod but a purpose-built pre-runner ready for demanding conditions. Built on a custom tube chassis, this coupe is equipped with long travel suspension, king shocks, and airbags on all four corners, allowing it to handle rough terrain with ease. The drivetrain includes a newly built LFX Camaro engine paired with a digital shift transmission and quick swap sprint car gearing, delivering powerful and responsive performance. Additional features include KC Baja lights, rock lights, beadlock wheels, and new off-road tires, making it fully equipped for night driving and extreme environments. The vehicle also includes a fully integrated Garmin system with satellite capability, a sound system, backup camera, and a headset communication system. This coupe is street legal yet built for adventure, offering a unique combination of style, innovation, and capability that sets it apart from traditional builds.